Welcome to Ronda, Spain. Ronda is a mountaintop city in Spain, Malaga province in Andalusia. It is situated in a very mountainous area, about 700 meters above sea level. The Guadalquivir River runs through the city, dividing it into and carving out the steep, more than 100 meters deep El Tajo Canyon, upon which the city perches. You can enjoy tasting the local cuisine of Ronda with hundreds of tapas bars, restaurants, and bakeries. The architecture of Ronda is reflected in its ancestral homes and aristocratic palaces, such as the palaces of Mondragon, the Marquis of Salvaterra, and the House of the Moor. Ronda is also one of the Spain's oldest towns. Its existing old town, La Alcazaba, which was an important cultural center, filled with mosques and palaces. Also, the town has a colorful and romantic past in Spanish folklore. There are 3 bridges that span the canyon: the Roman Bridge, the Arab Bridge, and the New Bridge. The New Bridge is the tallest of the bridges above the canyon floor, and all 3 serve as some of the city's most impressive features. The bridges are impressive feats of stonework with massive columns reaching down into the canyon, and with ornate roofs giving the city the multicultural feel that its several conquerors brought with them. The old city halls stand on top of the cliff and is an exceptional place to relax and take in the views. The Fiesta de Pedro Romero, with old-style bullfights and flamenco festival, are a major event in the memories of the Christian Reconquest. Rosio is a very famous festival day with amazing parade in Ronda. This festival attracts a lot of tourists since 1960. It's associated with Pedro Romero and the origins of bullfighting. 3 bridges, 2 historical sections of the city, and 1 giant canyon of Ronda make these spectacular places so mesmerizing that you will never forget.